Hey friends, today I'm revealing what I call the 9 essential mindsets that can skyrocket you from 0 to millionaire status in 2 years. So hit the subscribe button and let's dive into the secrets of mastering the money game. Let's go! Mindset 1. Strategic positioning. Imagine you are offered a partnership opportunity in a rapid growing company. Instead of just taking a salary, negotiate for equity and profit sharing in the company. By strategically positioning yourself to own a piece of the business, you are setting yourself up for potential massive gains when the business goes public. And if it never goes public, well, you still enjoy unlimited profit sharing. Strategic positioning sets the stage for monumental success. Mindset 2. Crisis account. This isn't just your typical emergency fund. It's a crisis account that can single-handedly save your business when times get tough. Picture this. During a downturn in the economy, your business hit a rough patch. But thanks to the crisis account you diligently built up over the years, you are able to weather the storm without having to lay off employees or shut down operations. The secret stash of cash becomes your lifeline when you need it most. If you are enjoying this video, hit the like button to help spread the message. Number 3. Study smart investors. Take a page from Warren Buffett's playbook. Instead of chasing the latest investment fads, focus on long-term value investing. By studying Warren Buffett's philosophy and learning from his successes and failures, you can develop a disciplined approach to building wealth over time. But don't be afraid to carve out your own path. Remember that your journey to wealth might look different. Find your own investing style and own it. Mindset 4. Forge strategic partnerships. Let's say you are a freelance graphic designer looking to expand your client base. Partnering with a local marketing agency opens up new opportunities for collaboration and referral business. By forging strategic partnerships, you can tap into new markets and grow your income exponentially. Number 5. Know your politicians. Pay attention to the folks in charge, especially when it comes to tax policies. Imagine you are a small business owner facing potential changes to tax laws in your industry. By staying informed about proposed tax reforms and understanding how they could impact your bottom line, you can proactively adjust your business strategy to minimize tax liabilities and maximize tax profits. Number 6. Master your compensation plan. Suppose you are considering starting your own business. By structuring your compensation package to include tax advantage benefits like retirement contributions and health savings accounts, you can reduce your tax burden while simultaneously building wealth for the future. If you are interested in learning more, visit Property Ask Ekow to schedule my free consultation. Number 7. Skip the first class flights. Let's say you are planning a trip overseas. Instead of splurging on first class tickets, opt for economy class. By saving money on travel expenses, you free up funds to invest in your business or personal development, ultimately accelerating your path to financial independence. Number 8. Beware of big check syndrome. Picture this. You land a lucrative freelance contract that pays a sizable lump sum upfront. Instead of blowing the entire amount on luxury purchases, discipline yourself to allocate a portion to savings and investment. By avoiding big check syndrome, you ensure long-term financial stability and growth. Number 9. End of the world mentality. Imagine you are an investor during a market downturn. While others panic and sell off their investment at rock bottom prices, you maintain a calm and rational approach. By having cash reserves set aside for opportunistic investment, you capitalize on undervalued assets and position yourself for significant gains when the market rebounds. there you have it, the 9 essential mindsets paired with real life strategies to help you unlock the door to millionaire status. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about mastering the money game. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth soar. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep chasing those dreams. Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.